Njalo mawubona umuntu
So
kaNkuluNkulu
every time when you see a man of God,
kusuke kunabantu
there
abathandazile.
are certain people who have prayed.
Akamvusi umuntu uNkulunkulu
God
ekungekho umuntu
does not
othandazile.
raise a man of his wish without a prayer.
Inkinga ke mase kuvuka umuntu ibandla libe selikhohlwa ukuthandaza.
But then what happens is
Linake
the
lo
church
vuselelo.
forgets to pray and puts their focus on
Kanti
the one who's been
uvuke ngenxa yemthandazo
but they've
yenu.
been risen because of the prayers.
And uzoma ngenxa
And
yemthandazo
will only
yenu.
stand because of those
So
prayers.
ibandla ligcine seliba ngabantu abafuna
The
ukuthandazelwa.
church turns to people
Kanti
who
lo
rely
muntu
on the
ovusiwe
prayer, but the
uvuswe
person
ngoba
has been
kunabantu
risen
abathandazile.
because of the prayer.
Isizathu sokukhethwa koMoses ngoba kunoIsrael
The reason
owakhala.
of Moses being chosen was because of the cries of Israel.
Ukuba uIsrael awuthandazanga ngaba
If
zwanga
Israel did not
ngoMoses.
cry out, we would not know of Moses.
So umpostoli into yomprotector
So
ukuba
as
nebandla
the apostle will
elithandazayo
only be protected by a prayerful
kunokuba
church
nebandla
than
elilindele
to have a church who
ukuthandazelwa.
is only awaiting to be prayed for.
Mhla sayibandla elifuna
At
ukuthandazelwa
once,
njalo
if we relate to be a church
so
who is prayerful,
besilahlekelwe yinto uNkulunkulu ayifunayo
we will lose
ngompostoli.
what God wants about the apostle.